Hi there, my name's Edgar. Salon by Premier Software excitingly enables you to create promotional or marketing campaigns of your choosing. This can be done through its advanced marketing features. So today I will show you how to create your marketing campaign using Salon. Let's cut to it. First, log into Manager if you're a single site business or Administrator if you are multi-site. Once in, you will need to decide what your marketing campaign will be. Is it to increase gift card sales in the run-up to a seasonal event, or is it to boost your bookings or promote your retail items? To help you decide, you can click Reports and run a variety of reports to see what was popular in the run-up to last Christmas, for example, so you can promote that item this year. Perhaps you would like to promote a bundle that includes an item of stock that isn't so popular, bundling it with the most popular items as shown in your reports. Once decided on what you want to market, you can look into how these would be promoted to your clients' email, SMS, and/or social media. When you've finalized your details, head to the marketing menu. Here you will see a row of options to help create a campaign. In this example, we will look into a campaign on gift vouchers, which we will send through email and social media. The first step is to create document branding that can be used on marketing emails. Click this, then the green plus. This will be where you can set your logo and general contact details for your salon or spa. If you have an image file, make sure you copy your logo and click the paste button to insert this into your document. You can also use the Insert Merge Fields button to insert important details such as your company name and telephone number at the bottom of every email or letter. This functions much like Microsoft Word, so the buttons is to set your copy, font, alignment, and any other details. When you are done, click the green tick and name the template to something recognizable. You can now set up the email you'd like to promote your gift vouchers on. To do this, head back to the marketing menu and click Standard Documents. Click the green plus to create a new standard document. Next, in the description box, type in the name of the message template, such as gift voucher offer. You can then select the general type of email this is using the drop-down menu, which will be Marketing. You can then input the title of the email in the email subject box, which will be something that entices clients to read, such as "Give the perfect gift for Christmas." Click the green tick once you are done. Next, click the Site Details tab. Here select the site the email can be sent from. You can then set up any alternative descriptions for your email template, which simply shows a different document name to users set up to view them in User Manager. Next, select the branding of the message from the drop-down, which we set up earlier. Click the email layout pencil icon if you plan to edit the existing template or simply start from scratch. The same applies for the mail layout icon if you're planning to send the message via post instead. You will be brought to a blank document. Here you can write out any details you wish to send out, as well as input any pictures you need, much like the document branding template set up earlier. Scroll along the top and you'll once again find the Insert Merge Field button. Click this to add a formula that will pull any details already in your system that will differ per client. For example, you can click Client Details and select their title, surname, or first name options. This will insert a piece of code that will pull up, say, the client's first name to personalize your email to them. Use the Insert Merge field as needed to include any details specific to the client as needed, as well as changing any colors or formatting. If you need to insert a picture, this is simply a case of copying the picture and pasting it into the document. Once you're happy with how your gift voucher email looks, click the green tick. Next, you can send your new message. Click the back arrow and head back to the marketing menu. Click Marketing to take you to the saved marketing selection screen for marketing filters you may have already set. These filters will make sure your marketing template will get sent to the right people. To create a new marketing filter selection, click the green plus. On the marketing selection screen that then appears, first highlight the region you would like the marketing messages to be sent to, in this case the UK. Click the single right arrow to then allocate this. You can then select the site of your business and click the single right arrow also, or the double right arrow to send this from all your sites. You can then select to include any specific number of staff if you wish. Once done, you can then use the other tabs to filter down the client pool further. For example, if you want to send your gift voucher email to clients who purchased gift vouchers last year, click the Non-Stock tab. You can then click Include to activate these filters. Select the date from, perhaps September last year, and to, perhaps the end of December. Under the Non-Stock category box, you can then click to highlight voucher and click the right arrow to allocate this filter. Similarly, you can then click the Client tab where you can click to include only opted into marketing clients and set other parameters such as age, gender, and more. Once happy with your selections, click the green tick. You will then receive a pop-up. You can choose to send your marketing message immediately or save to reuse later. As we wish to save this filter selection, click Save to Reuse Later and then name the filter something appropriate like Christmas gift vouchers. Click the green tick to save this. Back on the saved marketing selection screen, you will then be able to select the filter, click the green tick and then the email @ icon to then send the messages. Make sure to review any clients who have opted out of marketing. On the screen that then appears, click Valid Only on the right to bring up all valid clients. Then click the ellipsis, that's the 3 dots at the bottom, to bring up the document selection window. Here you'll be able to attach the document template you set up. Find it, click to highlight it, then click the green tick. Next, input the email subject lines such as "Give the perfect gift this Christmas" and click the green tick to send this, or the alarm clock to schedule this for automatic sending later. We go more into automated marketing options in our automated marketing video. You can also arrange to send out a social media post to promote your gift vouchers as part of your campaign. This could be to increase interest in them. Back on the marketing menu, you can do this through the social media marketing section. We have plenty more on how to send a suitable post through our posting to Facebook and posting to Twitter videos. I hope that helps. To find out more about Salon, make sure to book a presentation using the link in the description. For more Salon how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to us on YouTube? We have several social media networks for you to follow for regular Premiere Software content too. In the meantime, check out our other helpful videos and I'll see you next time.